Okay, in the last session, if you have any confusion and VS Code Node.js you install and TypeScript function, how to use function, what is the undefined NAN and hosting and on here ECMAScript.
Yeah, Chanda sir, I'm an experienced person. I know JavaScript, jQuery, and all.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. That actually from the starting, actually I go move to the TypeScript. First, need to in start from JavaScript basic. After that, we will start. Then only confusion. If any confusion on here, because after that we will move to TypeScript. Okay.
okay,
And then move to on here. We will in between TypeScript. I will discuss with the TypeScript. This is a programming language. Means programming language like a C sharp. In the C sharp, all things is programming like keyword and concept. All things, same things on here also in TypeScript. This is a programming language. Okay. And second point is a compile this code in JavaScript with the ECMAScript based on version. Okay. It supports OOPS concept like data type, class, generic modules. Same thing is same like a C sharp. Okay.
okay, okay,
And after that, okay. After that, second point is next point is it is a it is a superset. It is a superset of JavaScript. Superset means it it all the feature involve. Suppose that we have JavaScript, we have 10 feature. Okay, then TypeScript 10 feature also have and the addition some feature in TypeScript also uh, uh, um, because it can say everything has JavaScript has. Okay, plus extra feature like extra feature extra feature like uh, static typing. I will discuss these things all, but I only discuss on feature. Static typing, classes, interface, okay, generic models. Okay, these things are extra. Okay, TypeScript equal to JavaScript plus some feature is extra. It means it is a superset of JavaScript. Okay, superset means a language that has include all feature of another language and adds more feature on top of it. Understand?
yeah, yes,
Okay. Okay. Then open the uh, Visual Studio. Okay. Can you see my Visual Studio?
yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. This is a editor. Okay. You can you have download this editor.
Yeah, I have already.
Okay. Then on here this is the editor. This is on here we can use VS Code or Beams multiple editor, but also is a Notepad plus plus. But on here some new features like we have like on here we create the some file test one. Okay, test one.
Okay,
That on here show the icon TS. but on the Beams or Node plus plus on not so this icon. Okay, this is some stuff feature in the editor. Okay, on here you can see if you know all things. If you are using these things, just 1 second. Explorer, view, Explorer. Okay, Explorer. Okay. Actually, on here we have some. You need to download the package or get all things is included in the Beam BS Code. Okay. If you download or debugger or on here, we cannot show on here, but we have show in later. Okay. Then open one file on here. I create the. I just remove this file. Delete. Okay. I create one file. First sample. FRIST first sample. Okay, first sample.ts. Okay, I I write code here where I colon number is equal to 10. Okay, this syntax we are writing in the TypeScript. Okay, like where string. Okay, like Dara. Okay, on or boolean some value is valid. Okay, is valid true, or you can write where x colon any. This is data type, multiple different type of data type, but these things is not used in JavaScript. Only one variable is where. Okay, but and we are not assign this type of data type on here where string boolean, but is used in TypeScript. Okay, like on here where x is any, and after that we can assign is string x is equal to hello. Okay, and if you want to print console string, okay, valid x. Okay, then if you okay, then open terminal. Okay, this is it. Terminal, we can run on this code. Okay, then okay, then we can run this code without. We cannot run this code. We cannot run this code without Node.js. Okay, then come Node.js come in picture, because actually this file actually I create this file or JS file, we cannot run in browser. Okay, and we
Okay.
want to run this code in on here on server. Then for that we need to Node.js. Okay, so come in the Node.js, because without Node.js we cannot run this code. Okay, so I come in the Node.js. 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 Okay. Node.js. What is the Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. Node.js it is a JavaScript runtime environment. Okay. Node.js. Okay. Means suppose that you have any JS file. Okay, you have any JS file or TS file. If you want to run, like open the VS Code and I create one file on here, test test1.js. Okay, and go to the Explorer, and we want to run. This is not run. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, okay, this is some open. We want to show in the browser. It cannot be open. Okay. So
Okay.
so suppose that if you run this code, okay, without Node.js, we want to run this code. Suppose that when you run in the browser, like on here, go to open the okay, just 1 second, another window I open. Okay, on here we have run. Okay, like on here, where age equal to 10. Okay, then age equal to 10, console console.log console.log a. Okay, then this is a run. Okay, then on browser this is run. This is JavaScript code, but on here this throw the parent, because on here parent is a on here like window or document dot get element by id. This is a parent on here, like we have write on here where window dot. Okay,
Yeah,
window
screen
dot.
is freezed.
Okay, okay,
Actually, yeah.
yeah, yeah. Can you see my browser or another screen?
I'm seeing Visual Studio Code.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you see my browser?
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
when first I run where age equal to 10. Okay. Okay. Where age equal to 10, console.log a is equal to output is 10. But how to run these things on the browser? Then you listen document dot get element by id, or okay, document dot. Okay, and window. This is a parent things. Okay, so this is a run through the parent window. This is a
Mhm.
parent window dot add a, means in the parent we have window. Through this is all things defined in the ECMAScript. All things
Mhm.
defined in the ECMAScript. We have write only console.log a. This is print. But how to run a is 10. Then this is a window. Window is a parent. Main things is a window dot a. This output is 10 on here. Okay.
Mhm.
Window dot a or document dot get element by id, or element get element by name or something. This is a parent. Okay, then
Mhm.
will come on okay, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. Okay, JavaScript cannot run on browser. Okay, through the
Okay.
Node.js, you can run on server. Okay, second point is a Node.js is a free. This is a free. Okay, open source and cross platform. Okay, these things, and we can use in tool within Node.js. Okay, yes, we have to Node.js is a is you can say software. Okay, we can install these things. And inside this tool, which tool we are using inside this tool, tool inside tool inside Node.js, tool inside Node.js called called npm. npm full form is Node Package Manager, correct? Tools within Node.js, because like a CLI. Okay, through the CLI on here, we can through the npm, we can install the all things on the uh, Angular. Become in if you want to some package, okay, some package you can install through the npm. You can install, okay, from the Node.js. Okay, then what is npm? npm, okay, npm is used to download package. Like you can download JS file. You can understand MVC. Okay, you know MVC. Okay, you know MVC, or in the MVC when you create the application. Okay, then you can write the CSS. Okay, CSS plugin, JS plugin. You can multiple plugin. You can register in the master class, layout page, or SP. You know, correct? You know MVC or not? Hello.
I know MVC. Yeah,
Okay,
MVC I
then
know.
okay. Then in the layout page, you can when you design the layout page, then you register the first jQuery, okay, plugin, CSS plugin, Bootstrap plugin, multiple plugin you can install on there. Okay, okay. The same things, if on here we can download and register all the package JS file or CSS file for public repository, for the public, like public repository is a Node.js. On here, all packages available. All package available. Suppose that we have on here 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. All packages available in the Node.js. In this Node.js, how many package you are using? Okay, how many package are using? Okay, so use to share or download package package like uh, jQuery, J jQuery CSS from public repo repository. Public repository means Node.js. Okay, you can download from public repository through with the command of npm. Through the npm, you can download uh, jQuery CSS plugin from Node.js. Okay, for that we can use npm. Okay, like
Okay.
it resolve the interdependency means suppose that ki we have I have installed the CSS bootstrap, but bootstrap depend on jQuery depend on abc depend on and another. Okay, then this is dependent. We have four plugin. Okay, we have four plugin. One plugin is dependent on another dependent on third, fourth, fifth, and this resolve this interdependency. When you install the one package like material or bootstrap, then internally is resolve the interdependency. Means it resolve resolve the interdependency. Okay, means jQuery means bootstrap Bootstrap depend on jQuery, and jQuery depend on abc.js. Like, okay, understand these things?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, after that, Node.js npm, I will talk one more extra feature I will discuss. Suppose that we have Angular. Okay, Angular actually when you start from Angular 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9, and currently currently available is 20. Okay, based on version, Node.js version is also changed. Suppose that in the company we have two projects. Okay, one project is in Angular 20, one project is Angular 16. Okay, then one project is using Node.js 16, and one project is using the Node.js 20 version. Okay, for this we can use one things on here, n npm. Through this, from this you can resolve these things. Suppose that you can install the Node.js. Okay, then which version you want to use, then you can active that version on one time. You can active only one version on suppose that you have applicant on some 2 hour or 3 hour or one day, and Node.js 20, then you can active Node.js 20. Okay, second day you can active Node.js 16 through this npm. This is a new feature on here. Okay, I will discuss in npm when you start on the project. Okay, how to work. Also, you can check the one URL TypeScript lang on here. This is the latest open the TypeScript version, TypeScript language. Okay. Current version is TypeScript 5.9 is now available. Okay. TypeScript latest version is 5.9. Okay. On here you can see which version I have changed. TypeScript version. Okay. So then we can install the Node.js. Actually, I have already installed Node.js. You can install. If you not install, then you can download from the URL. Last session I have discussed with the how to download the Node.js. Okay, you can download. If any issue, let me know. Then on here, I check the Node.js version on here. How to check Node.js Node-v. Okay, then we have version is 20. Okay, currently I am using Node.js version is 20. Okay, after that we have run. How to
Okay.
run this? How to run this code? Okay, run this code. We need to download the TypeScript also. We need to TypeScript also. This command on here for the TypeScript. When the run the TypeScript, like C#, how to run this TypeScript output, how to then on here we need to npm install TypeScript -g. G means globally. If you not write -g, then this is only the local, only your project. If you write the -g, then it work on the whole system means any project you are using, then this version, this TypeScript you can use on any project. Okay, G means global. Okay, so I I check the TypeScript version. I check on here, I have TypeScript version available or not. TypeScript TypeScript version. Sorry, on here some syntax is wrong. Hmm. TypeScript. What is show on here? TSC version V. Okay, this is command. On here TypeScript, this is run command, and TSC. You can write the TSC and hyphen B. Hyphen B means version. Okay, so then we have version is currently version is 5.5.4, but is coming latest version is 5.9. Correct? You can see in the site. Okay, then I then I have available on here Node.js and TypeScript both things. Then you can run the this file. You can run on here. We we need to run this file for we need two software, Node.js and TypeScript both need to install on here for run this file. Okay, so TSC. Okay, uh, TSC file name first sample first sample dot ts. Okay, okay, this will error is on here, but this file is generated. What is the saying on here? uh, okay, on here this is some error is coming here. Okay, maybe some issue is, I will check these things why this error is coming. Control C. You can clear the window, then throw the Control C. Control C and TSC. Clear CLR. Sorry. CLR. Okay. Clear CLR. Uh, con, why not clear CLS? Okay, CLS clear. Okay, then just 1 second. I can again delete this file. TypeScript. 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 Okay. TypeScript hyphen first first sample dot ts. Okay, this command is not only sc first sample dot yes. Okay, let's Okay, I will check this file. Actually, after that, after this command tsc first sample.ts, this file generate JS file on here. This is a TS file. Okay, this is a TS file. On here this is a JS file. JS file on here where I is equal to 20, where Chandra is valid true, yes 20, yes hello. Okay, on here TS file we have assigned on here any, okay, boolean data type, string, number, but in the JS no things, anything on here, no data type. In the JS you can compare both file on here. Okay, you can compare both file where I is equal to 20, but TS we have defined the data type. This is a extra feature on here, TypeScript. This is a superset of JavaScript means. Okay, you can compare these things, string, boolean, any. Okay, after that we have run this code, then we can run on the output will come from the JS file. When you compile, tsc means compile. Okay, through the compiler compile this file, then it generate the JS file. After that output will come from the JS file. Then how to run this JS file? Through the node hyphen first sample dot JS. Okay, then output will be 10. Okay, 10 Chandra true or hello. Okay, through this file you can get the output. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, after that we will talk about the where, like some where age equal to 10, let let b is equal to 20, and like we have some block statement v. Okay, on here we write age equal to 100, age equal to 100, b uh, b age equal to, on here b is equal to 200. Okay, this is a block statement. Okay, after that we have write the console dot a, console dot v. Okay, then I want to show on here only, suppose on here is a where. Okay, this is a global variable means we want to show on only on here where and let. Okay, where is a global means you can say function scope. Okay, but let is a block scope, block scope. Okay, I want only show on here only. Okay, then where is a global scope? Okay, let is a on let b is equal to 20. Okay, let b is equal to 20. After that a, assign a is equal to 10. Then after that a is equal to 100. Okay, then a replace to a is equal to 100. Okay, then b is equal to 200. Okay, after that b is equal to 200, and then output is on here a 100, b is equal to 200, b is equal to 200. And but on here what the output? On here is, on here what is the output? A is equal to a is equal to 10, a is equal to on 10 or 100. What the output on here? What is the output on here? After block statement, after block statement, what the output on here? Can you tell me?
Uh, 10.
A is a global. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And after that, in the if is in the block statement,
Sorry, 100, 100, 100.
correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Then 100,
Yeah.
and we will talk about the B. Okay. Then
Mm-mm.
we'll talk about the B. So then B is equal to 20. B is equal to 20, and B replaced to 200. B
Mm.
replaced to 200. Then output will be 200. Okay. Then what is the output on here? In the B, what is the output?
200.
200. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Just if we write on here a late, okay, on here we have
Mm.
write late B is equal to 200. Then
Mm-hmm.
what is the output of B?
20.
Correct. Because this is a late is a block scope. Late is a
Mm.
block scope, and bar is a global scope. This things is a
Mm.
output will different on here. If I remove these things, output will be 200. If I add this late, then output will be uh, on here 20. Okay, just I
Mm.
done this code, how to 200 and 20, just run.
Mm. Mm.
Test C here node. Okay, then you can see
Mm.
updated some error is here. What the error is, uh, cannot redeclare v late is equal to 20. Okay, cannot redeclare block scope variable B. What the error is fixed. You should remove the redeclaration of B, but redeclaration I am not doing any things on here. I am only late is equal to B is equal to 20. Okay, after that B is 200. Okay, then output B, and also we output these things. Just I run this code. Okay, then what the output on here? A is equal to A is equal to A is equal to on here 100. Okay, A is equal to
Mm.
100. A is equal to 100.
Mm.
B is equal to 200. Correct. After that,
Mm.
because on here A and B, then A is a 100 and B is a 200. Okay. Then
Mm.
I add on here late. Add late. Okay. After that, again compile. CLS. Okay. Then output will be 100, 200, 100, 200, and
10.
120. Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Then 100, 200, 120. Understand
Mm.
these things? Because this thing is block scope. This thing is a on here is a block scope.
Okay.
So